If you've ever asked yourself, why do childhood memories still hurt so much? Or how do I heal from family pain? This video is for you. Let's talk about a path to true healing. Thank you for joining me today. We're diving into a deeply personal yet universal topic: how to heal from the pain of childhood experiences that left us feeling helpless, sad, or even heartbroken. Whether it's family struggles, bullying, or witnessing the suffering of those we love, these wounds can stay with us for years. A viewer recently shared a powerful question that inspired this video. They asked me how to heal from the trauma of witnessing their family's suffering while feeling helpless to make things better. This question touches on so many important themes: responsibility, forgiveness, and how to move forward from a painful past. First, I want to say that if you've ever carried the pain of seeing your loved ones struggle or felt powerless to protect them, you're not alone. These experiences can shape us in profound ways, leaving us with questions like, why did this happen? And how can I move forward when the pain feels so heavy? It's natural to feel sadness, confusion, or even guilt when we reflect on these moments. But it's important to remember that healing is possible. In moments of trauma, it's easy to ask, how am I responsible for this? And the truth is, responsibility in this context doesn't mean blame. It doesn't mean you caused what happened or that you could have done something differently. Responsibility in Hooponopono means acknowledging that the memories and the emotions that you're carrying now, the sadness, the helplessness, the guilt, and the heartbreak, are yours to heal. It's about taking ownership of how these experiences live inside of you today and choosing to release them. The practice of Hooponopono gives us powerful tools to heal these emotions. It invites us to connect with the energy of the past, not to change what happened, but to change how it affects us now. By repeating the phrases, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, we create a space for healing, for compassion, and for release. Here's how you might choose it. I'm sorry for the pain I'm holding on to and for the times I've disconnected from love. Please forgive me for any part of me that continues to replay these painful memories or feels trapped in them. Thank you. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the love and for the opportunity to heal. I love you, to myself, my family, and even to the parts of me that feel broken. Remember, this isn't about erasing the past or condoning someone's behavior. It's about freeing yourself from its emotional weight so you can move forward with love and peace. It's important to remember that healing isn't linear. Some days it might feel easier to let go, and other days the pain might resurface. And that's absolutely okay. Be gentle with yourself and know that each time you practice Hooponopono or any form of self-compassion, you're taking a step towards peace. The fact that you're here asking these questions and seeking healing is a sign of your strength and resilience. You're not defined by what happened to you. You're defined by how you choose to show up for yourself today. Through practices like Hooponopono, you can reconnect with the love and the peace that has always been within you. Thank you for being here and for taking this step on your healing journey. If you have questions, reflections, or your own experiences to share, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Let's continue this conversation together. You are not alone, and you have everything you need within you to heal.